Meaning of Financial Times Index.
Financial Times Index.
Financial Times Index.
Financial Times Index.
Financial Times Index. The Financial Times Index, also known as the FTSE, is a stock market index that measures the performance of the top 100 companies listed on the London Stock Exchange. It was created by the Financial Times and the London Stock Exchange in 1984 and has since become one of the most widely used stock market benchmarks in the world. The index is calculated using market capitalization and is adjusted for changes to the constituents' share prices, making it an accurate reflection of the overall health of the UK stock market.